You might have been thinking that fees and commissions are the main revenue sources for most trading brokers. It's sensible to think that, and yes, IQ Option does charge some fees and commissions, but it is not the main source. You should know that IQ Option doesn't charge any fees when opening or closing an account with them. The minimum amount for a deposit is not a cost. In fact, this amount also happens to be the minimum amount you can trade with. This assures you that not even a cent will disappear or be charged from your account. It is also important for you to note that there are no withdrawal or deposit fees charged on IQ Option. However, there are two cases when you can be charged for withdrawing the money. A. When you withdraw your money for the second time in a month, calendar month is taken into account. There is a fixed fee of 2%. The minimum and maximum fees for each currency are listed in the full article on our website. Link is in the description below, so make sure to check that out for more information. And also B. When you withdraw your money without any trading activity after depositing funds and it is more than 80% of the overall deposit, IQ Option has the right to charge an additional fee. Such behavior is treated as fraudulent intent and makes IQ Option proceed with unnecessary payments earned out by external payment providers. You can also access IQ Option's app on your Android or iOS device for free and be able to carry on with your trading while on the move. Fees charged in IQ Option. Swap fee. This fee is charged if you keep your trade ongoing overnight. It's usually 0.6%. You should note that the swap fee only takes effect on CFDs securities such as Forex, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, commodities, and indices. Dormant fees. An amount of €10 is usually charged if your account doesn't record any activity for 90 consecutive days. The same amount or an equivalent of any currency is charged monthly after that should your account remain dormant. This fee is applicable to all account types and forms of trading, both binary options and CFDs. Verification account closure fee. If you fail to successfully submit your identification documents for verification within 15 days after making a first deposit, all your money except the profits made will be returned to your account. If your balance is above €5, then no fee will be charged. But if your balance is below €5, a fee of up to €5 will be charged. Underage account closure fee. An amount of $20 will be charged if a person who opened the account has not reached the age of maturity in the country where they reside. This fee will be taken on the 8th day after the closure of the account, giving time for that person to withdraw their funds. If there is less than $20 in the account, a fee of up to $20 may be charged. Commissions for holding cryptocurrencies. Depending on how long you wish to keep your crypto positions open, there are maintenance fees charged, which you can also see in the article on our website, link in the description. The fees on particular trading instruments such as CFDs on Forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, ETFs, commodities, indices, as well as binary options on Forex and stocks, or digital options on Forex and stocks, can be seen in full detail on our website. Rest assured, those fees are incrementally small, but make sure to check out the article for clarity. All in all, IQ Option is one of the most liked and well-known brokers in its industry, and one of the main reasons for this is their incredibly small fees. If you haven't already done so, for more additional information on this topic, you can visit our full article on our website using the link in the description. Also on our website, you will find more free tools and information that can help you in your trading. Note that our website supports 18 different languages. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.